Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to show you how I've been styling my short hair. I know that some people struggle styling short hair, some people struggle styling long hair, but I think that long hair is actually easier to work with just because you have more of it, you have more styles to choose from. Having short hair, for the long time, I really only felt comfortable curling my hair. I thought I looked terrible with straight hair. I'm starting to get better with straight hair, but this is kind of how I've been doing it. I was splitting it down the middle for a while, and I actually decided that I like it a lot better on the side. So if you want to kind of learn along how I do this curl style, then just keep watching. Okay, so first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to split the hair up into sections. So I just take like half my hair, put it in a clip, and this really adorable looking style I have going on right now. Okay, and then I just kind of split my hair down the middle and the back and bring it forward. Then I take my curling iron. Alright, so this is a Pro Beauty Tools, I want to say this is Conair. This is probably Conair. But it's a thick one. So this is like a 2-incher or like an 1.5 inch. And it's a little old, but it's bomb. So what I do is I kind of take like the first section of the first little piece of my hair, and you kind of want to take like not a lot of hair, and we come from behind. So I'm gonna wrap it, and I wrap it twice, and I kind of just leave it there. I try to remember which way I'm going so I can do the opposite way the next time. See, and then there's your first curl. Fabulous, right? Fantastic. Okay. Moving on. Taking the next little piece, and we're going to bring it forward since we went backwards the last time. So I actually had her cut my hair on an angle last time I went. That was totally my decision, not hers. I don't know if I played myself or what really, but like as you get back further to the shorter pieces of your hair, it's like very difficult. So this is pretty much all I'm doing. So I literally just wrap it around once or twice. I try to get close to the root. I move it a little so it's not like as stiff. And then I just chill with it here. So the bottom takes the longest to do. Like this bottom half takes like the longest just because the pieces are the shortest. And I think you actually have like the most chunks of hair because you literally divide like half your head. So once a section is done, I kind of piece through it a little. I make sure like I like the look of the curls, and then I take my Quai texturizing spray and I just like hit it one time or 12. Just to make sure we have the body that we need and want in our lives. And then we're moving on. What are your guys' plans for this evening? When is this going up? This is going up on a Wednesday, but right now it's actually Saturday. So Matthias and I, we had a big day. I'm in my roommate from college, Jenna. I'm in her wedding, and my bridesmaids just came in today, so I went and picked that up. It looks really nice. I'm really excited about it. We actually got iPhone 10s today, so that's amazing. I'm really liking mine. The facial recognition is working out really well so far. I was nervous because I kind of heard like mixed reviews on that one, but no, I'm really excited to have a new phone. So Verizon was telling me something crazy, like Apple's being sued because, you know, the phones kind of go to shit after like a new update comes out or whatever. And it's true. Like my iPhone 7, I had a 7. I didn't have like an old phone by any means. It like really stopped working. Once the new phones, the 8 and the X came out at the same time, like it was a joke. And I was getting super frustrated, and they told me it's literally because Apple like makes your phone stop working after a new phone comes out. So they're being sued for it. And he was like somewhat salty. He was like, yep, but consumers are still going to buy Apple, so it doesn't matter. And I was like, damn straight, buddy. I'm probably never going to have anything but an iPhone, but I don't know why you're so mad about it. And then once again, we're gonna make sure it looks the way we want it to. So this doesn't hold your curls, just letting you guys know. This is just texturizing spray, just to give you a little extra body. So that's what our first section looks like. So it's really nice curls, right? And they're just wavy and kind of effortless. And I really like the way that these look. So we're gonna go ahead and take our next section. So I split this top half into 2 sections just because like I have so much hair, but you know, somebody who obviously doesn't probably won't need to do that. So I do my hair in like 3 different sections. I always have. It's actually really funny. Like even when I was younger and I would straighten my hair, you know, I've been doing my hair. I can't even tell you how long. It's funny. Okay, then just take a comb. So I try not to use brushes too much anymore, right? Because they say like it's not excellent for your hair to use a brush. So I just try to use big combs. So same technique, nothing new here. We're gonna go ahead and start with the back and move forward. That's how I always do it. And I try to keep it very close to the root too. And I wiggle it around, but I like having volume at my root. Okay, and then whenever you get closer to the face, you always want to take it away from the face. So take the curl back and away. That way it's kind of, everything is not like coming in towards your face. You're going to get real annoyed throughout the day. Real annoyed. But, you know, feel free to like pull down on a curl if it's like too crazy and curly. And then, you know, just piece it. You can just pick through and just kind of see, like self-assess, you know, the whole entire time you're going through this. You want to make sure like, oh, that curl's too much, or oh, that needs a little bit more. You want to self-assess. Okay, so I'm going to just do the same thing on the other side. This is where we're at, second layer. See, so you can tell it's starting to add some body too. So you're getting a lot of hair. Now we're down to our final layer. Now a lot of people hate, you know, doing the pieces that are close to their face. I've actually kind of figured out a way where like it doesn't drive me crazy. I've been parting my hair on the side, you know, so obviously we have a lot more hair on this side for this, you know, for this layer. We have a lot more hair on this side, but so this side takes you like 2 seconds to do. So for this side, we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna curl it away. So like I just wrap it and then I kind of tilt it upwards, if that makes sense, so that you know it's moving away from your face. And I wiggle the wand a little bit so that we have looser curls. Okay, and if they get too curly towards your face, you know, feel free to like wave them out a little. So same thing that we've been doing the entire time. Okay, so for the final piece, the piece closest to the face, I personally like to kind of take like a thicker chunk. So maybe like a 2-inch wide. I don't know how much it is. And I don't take it all the way to the root. So that's pretty unnecessary. So what I do is I take the wand and I start it right about here. And I just wrap the bottom half around it. Okay, so I leave like the top of it pretty open because you don't need curls going all the way up to your feet. That's pretty insane looking. So I just leave it like that and I do a little wiggle through, like how I've been doing, and I let it fall. So a lot of the times, okay, so this is what we're working with. So a lot of the times once you actually brush it through, you can kind of see like, oh, I need to curl something again. Or, you know, you need to just like I said, self-assess, like see what's going on. But right now, I think I'm liking the way that this looks. Okay, and then I just suggest, you know, taking some hairspray, whichever, doesn't really matter at all, and just kind of nailing down the flyaways. Because we all know we have breakage. All of us do. And that's it. So I hope that this was easy for you to follow. Definitely, you know, you kind of have to get in your own routine as to how the curling iron works for you. It takes some getting used to, especially going from long hair to short hair. I had to learn it. But I really, really like the way it looks. I actually think I look a lot better with curly hair when it's short than I do with straight hair, but I'm learning to deal with straight hair too. So this is it. I hope you guys liked it. Please give it a thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Mackie, can you take a picture of me, like, curling my hair?